Windows can't find the Portable Device API DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Portable Device API, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Portable Device API, the Windows Portable Device WPD API. It manages the localized unmanaged communication between the OS and mobile devices, MTP and PTP. It facilitates localized file transfer and device command handshakes. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Portable Device API DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Portable Device API component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Portable Device API DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For users interested in automation concepts, the Maintenance and Repair Kit linked below provides background information on managing Portable Device API. If Portable Device API is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.